10 days, I guess.
No, actually you were not available for the 7 days and I was not available for the 7 days. Almost 14 days.
Yeah.
That's fine. So all good from your side?
Yeah, we went for a vacation, so that's the reason I couldn't attend the classes.
That's fine, no problem. How was the vacation?
That was good, super hot.
So you release your pressure?
Yeah.
That should be done. Might be you might have forgot what we have learned so far. So Sahita, I'll give a brush up. We have it 10 days. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll have a regular classes. Okay.
Okay.
For the next 10 days, if possible, even try to make on Saturday and Sunday also.
Okay.
We'll try to complete soon. So
we'll do Saturday, Sunday a little early, not this time.
That's fine.
So
that's fine. No worry. So there's an introduction to the BA. So what business analysis includes? First of all, I'll tell you. Okay. What do you mean by the analysis? Sahita?
Huh?
What do you mean by the analysis?
To make it like one kind of a figure means like searching and like.
How the weather is from your side?
Hot.
Will it rain?
No.
Why?
I guess so.
Why it will not rain?
Because it is super hot. So
why it is hot?
Because it is summer.
So every summer there is a guarantee that it will not rain?
It's not like that, but today it won't rain, I guess. Yeah.
Okay. So why it will not rain? Why? Because it's hot, right?
Yeah.
So you are analyzing it. Why? Because it's a hot, it will not rain.
There is no clouds.
Yes. That is called analysis. Okay. So in this, to become a good BA, as you need the good communication skills and good thinking, even you should know about the analysis also. Okay. So will I continue the tomorrow class or not?
Sorry?
Will I continue my tomorrow's class?
Yes.
How and why?
Because we don't have much time and we need to finish it off. And it's been so late since we started.
Yes. If I give the classes, it will be at 10 o'clock, so and so time. If it past 10:15, 10:20, I may not be available. I may stuck somewhere. I am in the middle of something. This is all comes under the analysis. Okay. Got it? Okay. Now, business analysis is a discipline include requirement analysis, sometimes also called requirement engineering. It focuses on ensuring a change made to an organization are aligned with the strategic goals. So these changes include changes to a strategic structure, policies, business rule, process, and the information systems. To take one requirement, what it need to be is, it need to have a proper structure.
Okay.
It need to have some rules and regulations. That is nothing but policies.
Okay.
It should have some business rules. Business rules is, I will not sell any product on the credit. That is a business rule.
Okay.
Just it's a basic information I'm giving you. It's not like this is the only rule. Okay. When it comes to banking, what does the banking person says is, I give the loans only at the rate of 5% per month. That is my business rule.
Okay.
Okay. I'll give the loan only for the 1 year. That is a rule. I'll give the loan only for the car vehicles. That is a rule. Okay. Next is processes. Processes is nothing but a home loan is one process, vehicle loan is one process. Okay, business loan is one process, education loan is one process. Okay, healthcare is one process. Got it? And
Yes.
information system. Information system is nothing but whatever the product you are going to look out, you need to have that particular information. Okay. Next, focuses on understanding the needs of the business as a whole, strategic direction, and identifying the initiative that will allow the business to meet the strategic goal. It also includes. First, what we are doing is we are focusing on understanding the needs of the business. If I'm saying something, first understand my pain area.
Sorry?
Okay? My pain area.
Okay.
What do you mean by the pain area is?
Where it is the problem?
Yes, where exactly the problem is. When I am giving you the requirement, it doesn't mean that I don't have any issues. First, understand the client requirement, what exactly he needs, why he is giving the business to us. You need to answer the every why. Why is giving business to us? Why he's not doing on his individual own? So why he's starting this type of business? What should I do with this? How can I make this? All the question marks need to be there in your brain.
Okay.
Okay. Every question you need to ask yourself and you need to answer yourself or ask the client answer for the question. Okay. Why you are giving the business to us? Why this business is stopped here? What you are expecting from us? Why you are expecting this particular decision? What is your business rules? Why you kept this business particular this rules only? Got it? So before explaining to the developers, you need to satisfy yourself first. Okay. And identify the initiative that will allow the business to meet the strategic goals also includes creating and maintaining the business architecture. You know the business architecture?
Business architecture.
So we have drawn some data flow diagrams, right? Okay, that is a business flow. What is the architecture is? What type of database we need to use for this process? How many systems we are using? Okay, what is the connectivity we are using? And where is the development team? Where is the testing team? Where is the UAT team? Okay, what type of data we are developing, from where we are taking the data and where we are storing the data. This is called the architecture. Okay, let me try to show you some architectures. Just stay online. Can you see the image?
Yes.
Okay. So you can see this. Can you see the image, Sahita?
Yes, Vikas.
Okay. Now what we are doing is, if we are developing any process, we need the database, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is the database we are using. Okay, so when we are going to develop a process, we should know what are the requirements needed to complete that process. Okay, what I done is, this is a platform overview, Pyro. So what we are requiring here is SMS, GPRS, internet, customer care, SMS, web, Java, IVR, internet, merchant, POS ATM. This is the banking one. Okay. This is the banking one. So in a banking, did you receive any time message stating that so and so amount credited in your account?
Yes.
That is a SMS. Okay, whenever you are trying to transfer some amount, what does it say? Says is try to on your live location or the GPRS.
Okay.
Have you transferred the amount to anyone?
Oh yes.
Okay, when you're transferring, what it shows is it asks you to put the live location
Okay.
when you're trying to browse anything. So to transfer the amount, do you need the internet?
Yes.
Okay, if any issues is coming, do you need a customer care?
You're breaking, Vikas.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
If any issue is coming, do you need a customer care?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So if the customer care is you are unable to connect, do you need the IVR?
What do you mean by IVR?
Voice recording, automatic voice recording, like it says that press 1 to reach regarding the credit card, press 2.
Yeah.
That is called the IVR.
Yeah.
Information over voice.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Do you need any POS machines? POS, point of
Yes.
sale? Do you
Yes.
need any ATM?
Yes.
Okay. For the banking style, this is all. Okay. Next. When you are developing all this, you require all this. When you want to develop all this, what you need is you need to know the business rules. Okay. You need to know what is a fraud management. What is meant by the fraud management is fraud is nothing but what maybe the issues happen. Okay. Someone taking the loan and running off. Okay. This all comes under the fraud management. Okay. Next, business processes. Suppose if you want to open a new account, you have to register yourself, right?
Yes.
This is the real-time transactions. Okay. The credit agencies, credit acquire, card issuers, direct to the bank, other channels. So when you are working in one banking domain, any process you need to develop on the banking domain. So what are the products you require here? That is called the architecture. Okay, stay on. See, I asked you, right? You need to ask yourself why, what, how, when, and everything. You need to have a questions on yourself. Okay, this image is regarding the capability architecture. Okay, customer partners and competitors, vision, strategic and tactics, capabilities, policy, rules, regulations, organizations, everything. Now let's come to the real time.
Okay.
So to cook a biryani, what are the architecture required?
Ingredients.
Okay.
Gas stove.
Okay.
Vessels.
Okay.
Mainly time.
You don't need a place to cook.
I need a kitchen though. Yeah.
Yes. Kitchen. Okay. Do you don't need a water? Sahita, don't you need a water?
Yeah, I need a water.
Okay. And a lighter.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is the thing. Okay. Suppose your son want to go to the school. What is the architecture for this?
So he need to wake up, shower.
No. Architecture. The products to be used to develop all that.
He needs a backpack, lunch bag, and he needs like shoes and stuff like that. We need to drive him to the school, so I need a car.
Yes. And do you need a fuel for the car?
Yeah.
Okay. Do he need a book, books, pen, pencil, bags, right? Shoes, socks. This is the architecture. Okay, what exactly it required to develop. If your son want to go to the school, all these are required, right? Okay. Next is conducting feasibility studies.
Okay.
Earlier we discussed about the feasibility studies. How many types of feasibility studies are there?
Feasibility studies.
Sahita,
Huh?
how many types of feasibility studies are there?
I don't remember because.
Technical feasibility, functional feasibility, legal feasibility, time feasibility, money feasibility, right?
Okay.
Do you remember?
A little bit.
Okay. So the feasibility studies you need to know. Identify the new business opportunities. What do you mean by the new business opportunities?
How to grow in the business.
Suppose if the client is giving a business, will be able to do it or not? Okay. And if you are able to do, explore it. Okay. Even there are some businesses where the people don't know the methods how to do it and they drop off. Okay. So such type of business also the business analyst can improve. Okay. Scoping and defining new business opportunities. For the new business opportunity, what you're doing is you are looking at the scope, in scope and out of scope. What is in scope? So the in scope is which is possible.
Okay.
Out of scope is which is not possible. Okay. Preparing a business case. What do you mean by the business case? What do you mean by the business case? The process. Suppose your son want to go to the school. How does he go to the school? Just wake up in the morning. He will have a brush. Okay, then he will have a bread and butter. Then go for the bath. Pack all his products which need to be moved to the school. Just he will have a bus from the home. Go to the school. This is the business case. If you are developing any banking product or the healthcare product, you should know the business case mandatory. Got it? Are you there, Sahita?
Yes, I'm here, Vikas.
Okay. So can you give me any example of business case? Sahita, can you give me any example of business case? Are you there?
Yes, Vikas, but I couldn't.
No, any real time business case. So you went to the vacation, right? What is the business case for that? Sahita, are you there?
To have fun.
Okay, business case in
To
the
have
sense.
fun.
Business case in the sense, how does the process started? Okay, you initially booked the tickets.
Yes.
Okay, you mentioned all your details while booking the ticket. Later, you took the car or you took the plane to move there. Later, you got the hotel. You have been freshed up. Later, next day, you have moved out, seeing locations you have seen. Again, back to your own house. This is the business case.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Now conducting the initial risk management. If we are taking that business, do we have any risk? Will we be able to do it or not? Whether it is illegal or illegal. If we are doing this product, will the person will give the amount properly or not? That is a risk assessment. Got it? Next, so you want to be a business analyst, right? Today, the business analyst has to be ever more proactive. What is proactive is someone need to be more energetic. Okay. Structured and specialized by the business sector. Business sector is nothing but a domain. So I am good at the telecom and the banking domain. Okay. I can answer anything related to that product. Now you tell me in which product you are good at the subject. Saita, so on which domain you are good at?
Domain.
I didn't get you. In which domain you are good at?
I don't know.
Are you not familiar with the banking process?
A little bit, yeah.
Are you good with the banking or the telecom?
Banking.
Banking or the healthcare?
Banking.
So you are good at the banking, right? So you need to be a specialized at the banking sector. Okay. In order to ensure the business use the system that they need quickly and efficiently. When the client is coming from the banking domain, you need to be a good at banking domain. When the client is coming from the healthcare, you should know the process of the healthcare. Got it? Got it, Sahida? Okay. This is called the BABUK. BABUK is nothing but business analysis body of knowledge. This is a type of exam with little theory, much hands-on practice, ensuring that the participants learn how to work closely.
Okay.
Next, you know this, right? Here is the business analyst who is lying down between your business person and the client.
Yes.
Okay. Next. What is analysis? What is business analysis? Analysis is nothing but an examination of data and facts to uncover and under cause effect relationship, thus providing the basis for the problem solving on decision making. Okay. Why we are doing the analysis is to solve the questionnaires. Got it? Sahita, I have an issue that I cannot sleep on time. So what is your solution on this?
So I'll tell, like, before going bed, I have a walk and have a warm milk and go to bed or read a book.
Okay, before giving the answer, what you should know is you should know my habits first of all.
Right.
Right, then only you can tell me whatever you have said. I would have done already all this and still I'm not feeling sleepy. Still I'm not feeling sleepy. I done all of the things which you have said me earlier. Then what is analysis?
Analysis.
It's a one word answer. What do you mean with analysis?
Conclusion.
Okay, before coming to the conclusion, what you do is you do the analysis first. Analysis in the sense you need to look out the possibilities percentage and not possible percentage also.
Okay.
Got it? Next, what do you mean with the business analysis here? Business analysis. Already you done the analysis, right? What is business analysis?
The same thing in the business, we need to apply that.
Business analysis is the practice of enabling changes in an organization content by defining needs and recommended solutions that deliver value to the stakeholder.
Solutions.
Got it? It's giving a perfect solution to the stakeholder.
Okay.
A business analyst BA is someone who analyzes an organization and business domain and documents its business or process or system, assessing the business model or its integration with the technology. Who is the business analyst? Is the one who analyzes an organization or the business domain, okay, and the documents its system, documents its business or the process or system. Okay, next. Objective of the business analysis. What are the objects? What are the objects, Sahita?
Requirement to solution.
What is mean by the elicitation?
Planning elicitation.
Requirement planning and management. First you take the requirement, then plan it, then elicitate is take more information and clear your doubts. Have a communication, have a solution evaluation and validate. Next, requirement analysis document. Okay, enterprises analysis. What we are doing here is the objective of the business analysis is need to interact with all the teams, okay, and take the information one by one. Leave about the function. Sorry. One minute. Okay. Business analyst, to become a business analyst as a functional, what you need is strategic management first. What do you mean by the strategic management? What do you mean by the strategy?
This is the analysis level where a business analyst evaluates and calculates the strategic where about if a company. Okay, this is one of the most critical levels because unless the evaluation is done on the point, none of the further steps can work appropriately. Strategic. So we need to guess the standard levels of the. No, we should not guess anything, right?
Strategic management in the sense where the business analyst need to calculate the strategy where about a company. When someone is giving the business about the of one company, first you need to have the strategies.
Yeah.
Suppose in my school, in my class, there are 10 people. Okay, out of this 10 people, there are 100 people, sorry. In a school completely, there are 1,000 people. Each class has a 100 students. So in each section, there are only 20 members. So how many classes need to be? Suppose in 10th class, there are 100 people, 100 candidates. Okay. If there are 100 candidates in 10th class, there are 5 sections. So in each section, how many candidates will be there?
20.
I mean, students.
20.
20, right? So what you have done is calculation. Okay. So to get your son 70 marks, what you need to do?
I need to work hard. So he need to work hard. I need to support him.
So you need to do a strategy first, right? You need to know where he is the weak.
Yes, yes, yes.
You need to plan. You need to see the weak areas. Then you need to mold according to you, right? That is strategic management. Next is analysis. Seeing his progress report, you see that in Telugu he got 60, in Hindi 50, science 90s, maths 100, and other subjects. So in this month he got 75%. In the last month he got 80%. So what you felt by seeing the 2 months report?
So it's lacking somewhere.
What you felt by seeing the 2 months report card? What you done the analysis? What you felt in the analysis?
Probably he's not understanding what the teacher says, and like I need to focus
You
on that.
understood that he's not doing well, right? If I have a countries like India, Japan, China, Malaysia, and other countries, okay, in India the product is being sold very highly. Okay, in other countries the product is not been running well. So as per your analysis, what you understood? I said you the example. In India, there is a business good from the client place, but in other different areas, it's not good. So what the analysis you have done here?
Analysis, I did. So we are lacking something, and
Why it's lagging?
lacking.
Okay. So what you do to do analysis is, okay, why India is doing well?
Right.
In which areas in India it's doing well? By whom the business is running well? Is it due to the product? Is it due to the quality? Is it due to the quantity? Is it due to the managers? Is it due to the stores placed in a high valued areas? Okay, is our business is running through a low level people? Is our business running by mid level people? Is our business run by rich people? Okay, this is one analysis. Why our business is not running in other places compared to the India? What is the difference between India and the US? Why our business is not running in the US? Okay, why is it like the product is not good, or is the product spicy? That's the reason the US people are not using. Okay, you need to look out all this. Okay, the business is not running in this particular area. Is it a slum area? Okay, you need to do the all the analysis of the business model. Got it?
Okay.
So designing the process. What do you mean by the designing the process? So now you have heard all the things, right? Why the business is running and why business is not running. So like an artist, create his imagination business analysis, do that with their skill. The step includes modeling the business process, which comes out of the designing and modeling. So Sahita has done the strategic management. Sahita has done the analysis of business model, right? Right, Sahita?
Yes.
Sahita, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So now you have done the analysis, right? Why the business is not running.
Yes.
But can you show me how do you analyze? Is there any proof that you have done the analysis?
Data flow diagram? No.
No. The designing. First, you need to design that how you have done the inquiry, how you come to know that okay, this business is not running this area because of this. You need to draw some diagrams. Okay. As you said, it's a data flow diagram. Next is analysis of technology. Technical system need a thorough analysis too. This is something that, if not taken care of, leads to severe consequences. Okay, you have all the things now. Okay, now you don't have a people to work in the technology, in the IT, in the sense developer. Then what is the issue?
We need to hire a developer.
Okay, what might be the reason he left?
Probably he got the better offer.
Okay, go ahead.
Or probably he started something on his own, or
Okay,
he's not satisfied with the previous work, or a big fight with business analysis, or
okay, that's fine. You are good. So earlier we discussed even this, right? Different type of software IT companies.
mhm.
Do you remember? What are the product-based company and the service-based companies?
Yeah, product-based Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. And service-based companies are TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL.
Okay. Now even you have seen the architecture, right, on the day.
Right. Uh-huh.
Even this is done, right?
Mhm.
Now, what do you even we spoke on the Spock and the scope and the pre-scope, right? Scope creep.
Yes, we did.
Do you want me to explain from here, Spock?
Yeah, give me some like touch-up points.
Am I clear now?
Yes, you are audible. Give me some touch-up points on the Spock.
Okay, Spock is nothing but one particular contact. Suppose there are 60 students. Who is the Spock for them? For the 60
A leader.
students, who is the Spock?
Leader.
Who is okay? Next, for the leader, who is the Spock?
Teacher.
Okay.
Principal.
For the students, the point of contact is teachers. For the teachers, there is a headmaster. For the headmaster, all the persons, the Spock person is nothing but principal, right? Okay, this is the point of contact, how it works. For the developers, who is the point of contact?
Business analyst.
Their team lead first.
Okay.
Okay, for the team lead, who is the spokesperson?
Like project manager. And
As you said earlier, business analyst first. I mean, for the developers, first team leader. For the team leader, business analyst. For the business analyst, all the business analyst, project manager. For the project manager, scrum master. Right? That is a single point of contact. Next, scope. What do you mean by the scope? Is there any scope that your student will get 100%?
Any chance?
I didn't get it. Can you repeat?
Any chance?
Chance? Scope.
Hello?
Can you hear me? Scope,
Yeah.
scope.
Okay.
Possibility levels. You need to look out the possibility levels.
Okay.
How scope is that your student will get 100 marks? You need to tell in the percentage. Okay. If he's lagging, then you need to write down the points where he's lagging and you need to make him strong. Okay. Next is scope creep. What do you mean by the scope creep? scope creep is nothing but I gave you the request stating that Sahita, I need a cake tomorrow by 10 o'clock. That is strawberry cake.
Yes.
So you have charged me for that 1,000 rupees for 1 kg. Later I said that Sahita, I don't need that cake. I need a dry fruit cake.
Okay.
But I'm telling you only verbally and I required it, but I will not pay you. Okay. The scope creep is the clients giving the requirement change, but not discussing about the financial amounts.
But,
do you understand anything?
But as in business analysis doesn't deal with the money, right? So
what here is happening is the client is giving the requirement. We have accepted to one budget, stating that, okay, for this requirement, we require 1 crore. Okay. Now the client is coming and giving the requirement change. Okay. But when he is giving the requirement change, but is not discussing about the payment he is going to pay for.
okay.
Got it? He's making us to work, but he's not ready to give us the work.
He's make what?
I'm ordering a cake from your side. I'm ordering a cake to you, stating that I need a pineapple cake, and you have said that it's 1,000 rupees.
Okay.
But I said, like, after some time, I don't need the pineapple cake. I need the dry fruits cake. So might be the charge is more than the pineapple cake, right? Right. Dry fruits cake, but I'm not ready to pay. Just I'm giving you the changes, and I need according to the change requirement. I don't want to pay you anymore.
Okay.
Why? Because already I paid you. Is it fine if we are doing in that way?
No.
Okay, so here you can see adding features down in black in color, adding features and functionality project scope without addressing the effects on time, cost,
without addressing on cost and resources, or without customer approval.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay, this is for us. Okay, now what is the do's and don'ts of the BA? Can you read it?
Never say no to client.
Next one.
Should not miss any requirement.
Okay, next.
Make sure that you have gathered all the requirements from the. Never imagine anything in terms of GUI. What do you mean by GUI?
Where it is? Graphical user interface.
Okay.
You know what is graphical user interface?
Database diagrams.
Graphically. Okay, let me show you here. Just give me a minute. For everything, when you have a doubt, just go to the Google. Okay, that will help you out. GUI, graphical user interface. This all are the graphical user interface. Browser, view photos, check email, listen to the music.
Apps.
Yes, where you can interact with it graphically.
Okay.
Next. What is the next?
Should know what the scope of the project is. So question everything. So do we need to ask questions for the client?
Yes, until you satisfy that, okay, this project is fine. What are the doubts you have? You need to get cleared in the first time only. You should not call 100 times to the client.
Okay, got it. If we
Consult
go
an SME for clarifying your request, clarifying the requirements. Subject matter expert. In which subject you are good at?
okay.
In which subject you are expert?
I don't know. It's been a long time.
That's fine. You can tell me at least one subject, right? In which subject you are good at? Cooking, dancing, or making the people understand and communicate properly. In which subject you are good at?
I can cook good food and I can talk to people as I'm in business.
No, which you are expert.
Expert. Yeah, I'm very good cook.
Yeah, then you are a good subject expert. Okay. So you are having a good knowledge on that particular product, right? Then you are a SME of cooking. Okay.
Subject matter expert.
Why? Because if someone has a doubt, you need to clear it.
Yeah.
Okay, next, go ahead.
Consult an SME for clarification in requirements. Okay, got it. Every
Next.
client is unique. Yes.
Read about the only
We
side
should
headings.
not be hurry. Yes. Yeah. Business analysis should focus on what and when to develop rather than focus on how to develop. What and when. Okay. Okay, next.
What is the next one? What is the next one? Okay, conflicting the requirements. What do you mean by the conflict?
The hurdle that we are going through in the project.
Conflict is nothing but different phases.
Okay.
Conflicting, sorry, I apologize. Conflicting is nothing but suppose I'm saying something to you, okay? It might be not a clear information, okay? You will receive the requirement from the different stakeholders or the same stakeholder at different times. All of them cannot be meet in one go due to the facts that they are in conflicting. So if there are 100 clients, okay, there might be chances of 99th client requirement you may write in the requirement 10. Got it? Next, communication problem. You should have a proper communication.
Yeah.
Undocumented process. Undocumented process in the sense, if there is any requirement, if you are not documenting it, then that is an issue. List of access to the end users.
Okay.
Okay. So any doubts so far? Any doubts so far?
No, because
I think I have made this PPT a bit better than the earlier one. Okay, before you join the next class, I'll share to the Sadish. Okay.
thank you.
Because when you're practicing, then only you'll get it out. Whenever you have it out, you can go through this document.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's meet tomorrow again. Brush up for the first 5 minutes. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Sure, Vikas. Thank you.
Thank you.